video, please subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna say the video one because. Okay, now I'm back. Let's see it. But might say where's my jacket? I just took it off because this video I'm going to do 30 push-ups. That's why. That pyramid. Oh, sorry. So see that the muscles. Yeah, I don't have any abs yet, but I'm gonna do 30 push-ups. Okay, I go down. Okay, down. Okay. Now we're again. I'm gonna do 30 push-ups. Okay. So, 1. Okay, we're starting now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna ask you something. In 7 push-ups. Since I actually have a classmate named Carlito, and he actually has a jacket like this, in the same Avatar Roblox thing, in the same like pockets. Yeah. So, like, okay, just comes for this. Okay, may I have a drink? Okay, how about I will get a drink when I got 20 push-ups. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So you just see me stop before, and I'm confused because I forgot what number I am, and then like no. So I will have a drink. And I will show you what my water bottle is like at school. So this is my water bottle. It has a word cold. Oh, it's wrong way. Cold. Cold. Hey. Wait. I'm really fast. Okay, I am 20 now. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Video done!